Welcome back to A Country Boy Can Cook. Today is going to be fast food the cast iron way. I've got a couple of steaks. They're about 3/4 of an inch thick. So let's get to it and get them to the cast iron pan. Right back with you. I've got my cast iron pan on about a medium. I'm going to turn it up on about medium high. It's got some olive oil in it. And we're going to put these bad boy steaks in here. I've got my own seasoning. Texas tumbleweed. Seasoning goes down. I want a good char. Once the steaks are in the pan, turn the pan up on high. These should be done in less than 10 minutes, maybe about 6 or 7. It's going to cook in about 3 minutes per side. Doesn't take long. I like my steak on the mooing side. I want it almost rare. Trying to scoot it around and make good contact. Oh yeah. Got some good color on it. I want that sealed char on one side to fill in the juices, which is the flavor. Sorry for the noise, the vinegar's got to go. I'm going to turn these steaks back down to medium now. One thing about it, I let my steaks come to room temperature. I put the seasoning in them on that, and that way they're room temperature when I cook them. So much better than taking them out of a cold refrigerator. Not much left now. Probably been in about 3 minutes. 4. These steaks are done. Good char on both sides. Fills in the juice. The juices and fats are where the flavor is. Total cooking time was about 5 minutes. That's faster than a fast food restaurant. If you like this video, hit the like button. Please leave me a comment and share. Thank you very much.